Just doing a little bit more with these cube speakers. This one here, I've made a little enclosure for it. You can see I've got the back of it in there. I've soldered wires onto it, and I've made the box a little bit bigger. So this is the smallest one, and that's on at the moment. Holding it down to make the back of the enclosure. No enclosure, you're not going to hear very much at all. But what I've worked out is that plate cone needs to be facing out. So the other ones I've done the same too. I've made the plate to the outside. Okay, there's that one. We'll just have a listen to these other ones. This is the larger one, and these are out of tablets and mobile phones. Oh, that's good sound. If I turn that around to these high bass speakers that I've got here, you have a listen to it. You're not going to pick much in it. Go back to that one again. So you can hear that the sound's damn good. That's really good on those. I'll just try the smaller one. And you get pretty much the same out of this too. Quite good, but the trick that I found, you got to have this facing outwards, the plate facing out, and make sure it's not going to touch anything when you're mounting it into your loco. That's pretty damn good, that. It's pretty close to the high basses, apart from the 27 in the larger box. So that's quite good in that box, that small box there. And I'll put this longer box on because I like this because this poor little thing's not pushing so much air into a smaller space on the downstroke of the cone. I think that this is going to aid in getting a little bit better sound in our locos. Excuse my fingers. It's only just been pushed onto there because I've got the back open. But so if you can make a little bit bigger box for it, I reckon that'd be better. And as soon as you take it away and stop that seal, no good. You've got to have that seal. There you go. Thought I'd just share that with you. Cheers.